Good morning. I have come a long way on this channel, and I just wanted to say thank you to every single persons who have supported me from the very onset, from the very start of this channel. I appreciate you. Take a look at my journey on YouTube. This was the early days of my YouTube channel. Then I had no equipment, nothing, just my creativity and my determination. This time around, I was even homeless. Look at me. But I didn't allow that to break me down. I kept on putting effort, energy in my YouTube channel because I knew all I needed was determination and focus. As soon as I had enough subscribers, I started going on live stream where I met people like Santion and my future employer who really helped me. If not for that person, I wouldn't have enough money to, grow my channel, to go on live videos, to go on live stream. I mean to say, that person really helped me and I met them on YouTube Live. So going on YouTube Live will enable you meet several people, lots of good people. Santion helped me transform my YouTube live stream background from this to this, and for that I'm always going to be grateful to him. Thank you, Santion. Shout out to you. Thank you for your support. This video from my earlier days on YouTube better expresses my feelings and my gratitude. I wouldn't be able to do this without you guys. I am so grateful. I'm thankful for your time. I'm thankful for your efforts. And I want to promise you today that I will also support you in any way that I can. I have come a long way from shooting videos like this to this. Only consistency and determination brought me to this level. And as a new creator, even if you don't have anything, you don't have money, you don't have gadgets, just keep at it, keep being consistent, keep being determined, be focused on your goal to make it out here on YouTube. Take a look at my first videos on this channel. Look at the camera quality. It was not good, but I kept on going. Do you know you can be a millionaire in dollars here on YouTube just by being an active community member? Even at 32,000 subscribers on YouTube, I still have a long way to go. One of the things I'm actively working on is the background of my videos, and very soon, in less than a week, that is going to happen. I'm going to go from all this blurry, not so good looking background to fabulous background like this. I will also be working on noise reduction and getting a good audio studio for my channel because, guys, it is really important. That is one of the setbacks that I've had on this channel: a nice background and a good audio. Yes, I know so many people use mobile apps to change the background, but I'm not really a fan of that. And if you don't have enough funds and you want to do that, go ahead and do that. But for me, I wanted to have the real thing, and I have put in work, and I know that God is going to make it happen. I'm going to get a better background and get a nice sound audio for my channel, and I'm so excited. The reason why I'm sharing this video is to inspire future YouTubers. You don't have to have the best gadget, the best background, the best anything. All you just need to do is to start creating something. As long as whatever you're creating is valuable or it's entertaining, yeah? And don't worry about niche this, niche that. You can always change your niche along the way. Yeah, there's always room for growth as a YouTuber, as a content creator. So the first and most important step is for you to create a profile and start creating something. Start being consistent. Do weekly uploads, at least monthly uploads. Just do something. Just show up. Use what you have to get what you want. Use the little you have to get what you want. I mean, when I started out, I wasn't even the best English speaker. I am still not the best English speaker, but I still bring myself up here. I still show myself. I still show up every day. Yeah, the important thing is building a loyal fan base or building some kind of, you know, some kind of presence on YouTube, on social media, that will make people know that, okay, at this time this person will be here, at this time this person would always upload videos. One of the things that I have to say is that every content creator has some point where they are very good at. For me, when it comes to live, I do have a lot of people viewing my live videos, but when it comes to long form videos, I am struggling with that. But that's something that I intend to work on. And one of the major reasons why I'm having that is because of my background. On live streaming, anything goes. You can, like, the background doesn't really matter. People just want to talk to you. They just want to, be in your presence and have like an interaction with you. They don't really care about, your background or anything. I mean, some people do, because back in those days, people would call me out and say all sort of things to me and troll me on YouTube live. Yeah, it did happen, but most people don't really care about your background. They don't really care about the quality of your video when you go on YouTube live. But your background matters. Background matters, because many of the people who will be looking out for your long form videos, I don't know, they're kind of different. Like, they're kind of different in a way, because if you don't have a good background, hardly anyone is going to watch your videos. Most of the people who watch my long form videos are basically my live guests, and sometimes my subscribers. Yeah, those are the people that watch my videos, my long form videos now. But now I am working towards, I'm working towards fixing that by having a better background and working on getting a good audio, yeah, for my long form videos. So guys, very soon you're going to be seeing lots and lots of improvements. So as a new content creator, look at my journey on YouTube and how I was able to create something from nothing. I didn't have the best gadgets. Yes, I had to sell many, like, I sell most of my stuff to be able to get the phone that I'm using to, to create content. Yes, so you have to be able to do some sacrifices. You have to be ready, to be determined, to be focused, to be consistent. Guys, consistency will take you a very long way on YouTube or any social media platform. I have noticed that. So just keep at it as a new creator. Keep creating, keep posting. Do not give up. Maybe it's maybe it's about 2 minutes to you blowing up or making it on YouTube. That's when you give up. Yeah, your success on YouTube or any other platform you may be on, it's just close by. Yeah, don't give up before you get to the finish line. Keep posting, keep showing up, keep being the best that you can, keep doing the best that you can, and keep using the little that you have to create something beautiful, to create an interactive and engaging moment for you and your fans, your viewers. Yeah, you don't have to be the best. You don't have to be the best at English, the best at any language, the best at anything. Just be you. Be you. That's what I can say. Yeah, thank you for watching this video all the way through. I appreciate you. I hope you have a beautiful day ahead. Please check out my live videos, my live playlist, to learn more about how I grew on this channel. Check out my live videos, check out my long form videos. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me, and I'm open for collaboration and engagement with you guys, my viewers, my subscribers, and anyone on YouTube who wishes to collaborate with me. Thank you for your time. Bye.